Hi everybody, welcome to Glenn's Garage. Today we're not working on the E46 over there. We're working on the daily driver Ford Focus, and a simple little DIY for you. We're changing the wiper blades over. So let's get on, get that little job done. Okay, so wiper blades on the Ford Focus. This is a 2015. They're the same between 2012 and 2018 here in North America, and that was the end of production over here. So if you have that era of Focus, a Mark III, this is how the blades get changed over. Nice simple DIY job for somebody if you're not into doing a lot of fancy DIYs on your car. This is one you can do. You don't have to go to the dealership and pay them the full whack for the blades and then an installation, or the same thing at your oil change place. You can do this yourself. I went down to the local auto parts place. I picked up Canadian Tire in my case, because I'm up here in Canada, and just picked up a set of universal fit blades, 28-inch long for the front here, and with a whole bunch of different connectors there. So we should have the right connector. So we'll get the blade off, have a look, and get a new blade on. Okay, so these are the blades sitting, or the wipers sitting in the park position. So all you literally are going to be doing, you're going to come down here, lift this up, so the blades, the wiper arms up like that. So the blade attaches here. This is the metal arm, and then the blade's going to attach here. So on the Focus, you've got this feature. This is what's on the car, comes from the factory. You don't change this part. This is not a Ford blade, I don't believe. I don't recall. I don't think I bought a Ford one. So whichever blade you got, you're going to do there'll be a release clip of some sort here. So you're just going to release that. Push forward as you do. So you'll see that, and then it'll just drop back. It'll drop out of these little hooks here, and there we go. Your blade has been removed. So these are the blades I bought. They're nothing fancy at all. They're just basic Canadian Tire brand, the reflex style one, so the ones that have the bend in them. They're all season. They're not specific for winter or anything, but I'm out on the west coast, so it rains a lot. And then because it's universal fits, it comes with a multitude of different attachments that snap into the blade there. So what we're looking for is, in my case, is this one here, where you got the little tab here that hooks up under the wiper blade, and then this is where this is going to go up to that little tab out at the front there and snap into place. So that's the one you're going to look for. If you're not sure, just go up and test this into the wiper beforehand. I've already done that, so I know this is the one, but I'm just showing you what you got to look for there. So I'll get that on the blade, and then we're just ready to pop it in. Okay, so I have the connector in place here on the wiper blade. So we're literally, what you're going to do, you see this little indent in this finger here. You're going to slide the blade up into that. And then up here, you're going to pull that up so that can slide over. Push that back down. I'm doing this with one hand, but push that back down, and there you've installed the new wiper blade. And just make sure you take the protective film off, because that's just not going to wipe anything. Put the blade back down, and hey presto, new blade in the Focus. So I'll get the second one done there, and then we'll just have a quick look at the back. If you have a hatch like this is, you'll have a wiper at the back as well that you may want to change. Okay, so both front wipers are now done. We'll move on to the back. If you got a hatch, like I said before, you're going to have the third wiper back here. These ones catch a lot of grit in that. These cars, at least I found, throw an awful lot of dirt up onto the back window. If it's at all mucky out, particularly if you live somewhere where there's a lot of salt and sand being put down, it flicks up here. It's extremely abrasive on the blade. Okay, so to get the wiper off, the easiest way to do it, first thing to do is to pop this little cover off here, and this comes off pretty easy. I mean, I'm doing it with one hand here, but you just literally get under and push up, pull these two arms away a little bit, and that cover's going to come out of the way. So we'll put that to one side. So that's where the nut is if you were to have to replace this arm at all. Then what you're going to do, you're going to lift this blade up as far as it'll go, and then you're going to take the actual wiper blade and you're going to rotate it around as much as you can. It's going to just pop out of the pin in here. So you're going to take the bottom of the wiper blade and you're just going to pull it around, and it's going to, there, it's going to pop out. It's this pin here sitting in this here. You have to do a fair bit of pulling. Sometimes it come off easy on this, sometimes you got to have it bent up pretty well the whole way here to pop, but that's how you do it. And then you get the new one from Ford, pop it back in. Just going to go in this and pop back in, oops, pop back in like that. And then you just put the cover back on. And like I said, I'm not doing this right now because I've got to go get that. So that's how you replace all three of your wipers on your own, by yourself, at home, for your Ford Focus. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped you. And if you want to check out my other videos, please do so. If you enjoyed it, hit a like and subscribe. I'd sure appreciate that. Have a great day.